New developments in a high-profile case out of Summit County. Kouri Richins, the mother accused of killing her husband, then writing a children's book about grief, back in court today.
Kristen McPeak has been there all day. She joins us live tonight. Kristen, what can you tell us?
Court still in session here behind me in Summit County. It all started at 10:30 this morning, and all day attorneys have been questioning detectives, law enforcement, and correctional officers. Here's some video from inside the courtroom. Richins' attorneys questions detectives in their handlings of gathering evidence. At the beginning of the day, most of the questioning surrounded detectives and how they were able to collect her cell phone as evidence. Now, detectives were also questioned about if Richins was read her rights or not. These discussions surrounded a traffic stop on April 13th when her cell phone was taken for evidence. During that time, she waited in a detective's car. Questions were addressed on whether or not this was lawful, and here's a glimpse of that conversation between Richins' attorney and a detective on that day.
Released Kouri from my custody and went to the home.
So according to your report, she was in your custody until she gave you the passcode. Your own words.
Custody was a poor choice of words on my part.
It's the ones you used, right?
I used that word in the report, but she clearly wasn't in my custody.
So your report's wrong?
That was a mistake on my part to use that word.
Correct. All right. And
now
at the bottom, there's
that question remains. If evidence like the cell phone seized could be used in court moving forward, we're hoping to get some answers here. Once again, court's still in session and still so much being talked about. Coming up at 6, I'll share more about what they most recently addressed in her jail cell. Live in Park City, Kristen McPeak, KUTV 2 News.